Hi, I'm Ann Kennedy on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, and this session will be talking about rhyming and reading games. Initial sounds. What does initial mean? The beginning. Are they important? Extremely, extremely important to point out initial sounds. A, B, at. It is an alliteration that I'm showing now. I don't need to come up with another word like boat. I'm looking at initial sounds. As the book, Dr. Seuss, hop, on, p, up. It rhymes, but what we're looking at is beginning sounds, phonemic awareness. As you get more into blends where you're putting the other two letters together, it's still important for your initial sounds. And where do we go back to finding our initial sounds? Your alphabet books. Because remember when we were first doing alphabet charts? Children have already seen it. It's been displayed. We've done songs. But now we're looking a little more into the phonics, the sounds of A, the sounds of B. Let's take B. Ba, 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 ba. What words can you think of that have that sound? Ba, bat. Get your mouth ready. You're now beginning to show how you pronounce these sounds and what you do with your mouth. Cat, is that a little different than ba? Look when I say ba, bat. But cat is k, k. I'm doing something different with my tongue. Try to teach your consonants first before you teach your vowels. As da, 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 da. That's why babies, when they first say a word, either ma, 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 or da, 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 they're ready. Concentrate on your initial sounds.